Wilbur. He's gonna come up. There he goes. Oh, you're feeling mighty fine. Woo! What, buddy? What are you doing? You got some tude today. Some attitude. One. That's my pretty boy. Pretty boy. All right, go do something. Go on. Shh. Wilbur. Shh. Go on. Oh, yeah, thanks. That's very sweet. I get it. You just want to eat.